Welcome to my channel, IIT Foundation in Maths for 6th class students, Geometry. We are doing the exercise, fill in the blanks, 38. An isosceles triangle has dash lines of symmetry. An isosceles triangle means a triangle, two sides of it are equal, like this. If two sides of a triangle are equal, these two sides are equal, then it is called an isosceles triangle. For this triangle, there is only one line of symmetry, which is passing through the middle point of the third side and the vertex or the point of contact of the two sides which are equal. This is the only line of symmetry for an isosceles triangle. Therefore, an isosceles triangle has one line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. Next, a semicircle has dash lines of symmetry. A semicircle means half of the circle. This is the semicircle. It has dash lines of symmetry. So this is the only line of symmetry for a semicircle. So both the parts divided by the line of symmetry must be identical. So these two are identical. When we fold this paper or plane along this line, they will overlap on each other. So only one line of symmetry for a semicircle. So answer 1. Next, a quadrant of a circle has dash lines of symmetry. Quadrant of a circle means, suppose this is a circle and the center O, and this is the quadrant. A sector whose angle of sector is 90 degrees is a quadrant. So this part is a quadrant. A quadrant of a circle has dash lines of symmetry. So for this figure, only one line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry which makes an angle 45 degrees, which bisects this 90 degrees. The line which bisects the 90 degrees is the line of symmetry. So for a quadrant, there is only one line of symmetry. So a quadrant of a circle has one line of symmetry. Next, 41. The letter I has dash lines of symmetry. The letter I, this is the letter I. So it has, this is one line of symmetry passing through the midpoint and perpendicular to the letter I. And the other one is this along with the letter, this line. So these two are lines of symmetry for I. So the letter I has two lines of symmetry. Next, a letter X has dash lines of symmetry, X. So this is one line of symmetry passing through the point of intersection. It is one line of symmetry, and this is another line of symmetry. Therefore, there are two lines of symmetry. Next, 44. Which of the following letters of English alphabet has only two lines of symmetry? So for Y, if we take it like this, there is only one line of symmetry. For W also only one line of symmetry. And for E also only one line. So H, for H there are two lines of symmetry. These two lines are symmetrical. So H, correct answer is H. So for letter H there are two lines of symmetry. Next, 45. Which of the following letters of English alphabet has no lines of symmetry? For P, there is no line of symmetry. For Q, there is no line of symmetry. For R, there is no line of symmetry. Therefore, all of these. So all of these three have no lines of symmetry. So option D is correct. Next, 46. Which of the following have exactly three lines of symmetry? M has only one line of symmetry. Equilateral triangle. A triangle whose all the three sides are equal. It has three lines of symmetry. These three lines are lines of symmetry. So this is correct answer. M has no lines of symmetry. Line segment has only one line of symmetry. Therefore, the correct answer is equilateral triangle. Option B is correct. Next, 47. Which of the following has no line of symmetry? It has a line of symmetry vertically at the midpoint, and it has 5 lines of symmetries like this one, this one, this one, this one, like this one. There are 5 lines of symmetry for this star, and this has 1 line of symmetry. But this figure has no lines of symmetry, not even 1 line of symmetry. So this is the correct answer. Which of the following has no line of symmetry? This figure has no line of symmetry. Next, 48. Matching column A and column B. 2 lines of symmetry. Among these 3-4 figures, which figure has 2 lines of symmetry? For this is an ellipse. This has 2 lines of symmetry. So 2 lines of symmetry. So P is the correct answer. And 3 lines of symmetry. This figure has 3 lines of symmetry. This is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. 3 lines of symmetry. So Q. And 4 lines of symmetry. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 lines of symmetry is R. And a cup, this has no line of symmetry. So yes. So no line of symmetry for a cup. A square has 4 lines of symmetry, and this figure has 3 lines of symmetry, and this ellipse has 2 lines of symmetry.